Okay, so what should we do in this video?
Oh. How about we do something fun? To
Like
go
what?
to bed and no zombie come here.
Oh, how about we do monkey on the shelf?
Monkey on the shelf? I want to join.
Yeah.
Okay.
I will gladly join.
Yeah, I want to do mini games too.
We have to go to a private. We have to go to a private lobby.
No, we don't.
Yeah,
I'm
come
Elf
on.
too.
Go to the computer.
Okay.
I'm Elf.
Let's go to the computer to play, bro.
So in today's video, we're
why
going
don't
to
we
do
just play
monkey
here?
on the shelf.
Oh yeah, because
Okay, let's start. Is anyone else playing?
I'm pretty sure there's.
You? Okay, come up here.
Yeah.
Okay, let's start. I'm gonna be the monkey.
Go my name.
So
Go original.
you can't go in this.
Go play mini games. Just mini games.
Okay, go.
No, what?
I'm monkey in the shelf. I'm monkey in the shelf. And the monkey in the shelf is
Okay, next round.
I'm a monkey in the shelf. Oh wait, can I play? Can I play?
Yeah, sure.
Tell them that
You can't touch
Wait,
the
so
ground.
What's
we're
Only?
going to
Only the ground.
win it.
okay?
Okay, start.
Guys, do you want mini games? Guys, do you want to play mini games? Are you playing monkey on the shelf?
Yes, we are. Want to join my video?
Okay.
I
What?
already touched the
Okay,
unbear.
you delete
Okay.
that.
Okay.
Back. We're
So-
gonna play monkey on the shelf on a private server.
Yeah, let's play.
Oh man,
Private server.
let's go. Okay.
Yeah, private server. Private server.
Okay.
3,200.
So what?
Wait, no.
What?
The card, no, the card.
Hey, do you two want to be in my video?
Is this the mini game? Is this the mini game gang?
Do you want to be in my video?
There's 2 people in there right now.
No.
Okay. Do you want to? Okay. Let's keep playing monkey on the shelf.
No, it's not a D. It's not a D.
Oh, other. Yeah, you. COVID mask. Purple. So far, you can't touch the ground or this.
Hey, what did you say?
Okay, go up.
It's no. What's the code? This?
You can't touch this.
A penis.
Okay, go.
That's so easily.
This is the card. Bro, this is my friend. He actually just wants to have sex with you, bro.
Let's see the
He
code.
actually wants to just. He wants to get busy with you. Don't join him. This guy's my friend. He's gonna scam you.
How did you not? Okay, I'm not going there.
Ooh, good move.
Other things to do. Last way. Penis.
Ha ha.
You touched the ground. Okay, you keep going. Good. Now you just need to get over there. Yeah, to the mirror.
Hey, guys, does
Yeah?
anyone know how to? Does anybody want to know how to do this?
No.
How do it?
Help me.
With the face.
Yeah.
Who wants to help me destroy drug doers? There's
Sex.
people doing drugs on a live stream right now. Who wants to help me report them and get them banned? But I can't make no live
Good.
streams.
I'm coming out
do
in
what
the
you
show.
do.
Okay.
And their names
That's
are
it
drug
for everyone
doers.
today. Bye.